What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into a world of deliciousness that'll have you screaming for more. We're talking 5 insane dessert recipes using leftover cake batter. First up, we're going miniature. Grab your leftover cake batter. Any flavor works, from classic vanilla to rich chocolate, and let's get started. We're going to need some mini pie crusts. You can find these pre-made at the store, or you can be super extra and bake them from scratch. Now carefully pour that batter into each crust, filling them about 2/3 of the way full. Remember, a little space allows for some awesome rising action in the oven. Pop these bad boys into a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until they're golden brown and a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Oh, and the smell? Let's just say your kitchen will be smelling like pure heaven. All right, round 2. Let's talk cupcakes. They're like the superheroes of the dessert world, small but mighty. Grab your cupcake pan and line those bad boys up with some paper liners. Now here's where the real fun begins. Take your leftover batter and get creative. You can swirl in different colors, add sprinkles, or even mix in some chocolate chips. Once your cupcakes are ready to roll, pop them into a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius for about 18 to 20 minutes. Again, the toothpick test is your best friend here. Make sure it comes out clean and you're good to go. Chapter 3. Batter up bars. For this next recipe, think outside the cake pan. We're transforming that leftover batter into something truly epic. Bars. Grab a baking sheet and line it with parchment paper. Now pour that batter right on in, spreading it out evenly. Time to bake. We're aiming for a 350 degree Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius oven for about 20 to 25 minutes. Keep a close eye on it because ovens can be a little unpredictable. Now for the best part, the toppings. Once your bars have cooled down, let your creativity run wild. Frosting, sprinkles, chopped nuts, go crazy. Cut them into squares and get ready to indulge. Chapter 4. Mighty Muffins. Muffins for the win. These little guys are perfect for breakfast, snacks, or even dessert. Don't judge. Grab your muffin tin and line those cups with some paper liners. Now spoon that leftover batter into each cup, filling them about 2/3 full. Remember, we want to give them some room to rise and shine. Pop those beauties into a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, for about 18 to 20 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Once they're cool, you can go crazy with the toppings. Dust them with powdered sugar, drizzle with glaze, or get creative with some frosting. Chapter 5. Cake Pops of Glory. Get ready for the ultimate leftover batter transformation, cake pops. These little bites of heaven are perfect for parties, snacks, or just because you deserve a treat. First, crumble up any leftover cake you might have. Next, mix in some of that amazing leftover batter. You want the consistency to be moldable but not too sticky. Roll the mixture into bite-sized balls and insert a lollipop stick into each one. Now, dip those cake pops in melted chocolate and let them set on a piece of parchment paper. Once the chocolate has hardened, you can decorate them with sprinkles, drizzles, or anything your heart desires. And there you have it, folks. 5 incredible ways to transform your leftover cake batter into delicious masterpieces. I hope these recipes have inspired you to get creative in the kitchen and never let a drop of batter go to waste again. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more awesome food hacks, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a new upload. Until next time, happy baking.